We're going to start by going to postgresql.org. So just like this, postgresql.org, and here we're going to choose download. So here it is. I'm going to choose Linux, and then we need to choose our distro, which is going to be Ubuntu. And it takes us to the installation page, and if we scroll down a bit, we can see this script. So I'm simply going to copy script, open my terminal, and paste it here, and we need to run the script. So I'll type in my password, and once that is done, we need to move on to the installation itself, which is this line. So let's copy this script and run it as well. Okay, so we are done with the installation of PostgreSQL. Let's now move on to the installation of pgAdmin. For that, I'm going to go to pgAdmin.org. So just like this, pgAdmin.org. And here on the left-hand side, we can see where it says quick links, and under it, we can see download. So I need to click on download. And since I am using Ubuntu, my package management tool is apt. And this is why I'm going to choose apt from here. Then we need to scroll down a bit. And from here, first we need this line. And as you can see, this is going to use curl or curl. So I'm going to start by installing curl. So here in my terminal, let's install curl. Okay, and it was already installed for me. If it wasn't installed, this command would install it. And now we can copy this line and run it in the terminal. And we're also going to need this one. So let's copy this one and run it as well. And then you get to choose which flavor of pgAdmin you want to use. You can install pgAdmin for both desktop and web. Or if you don't want both of them, you can only install the one that you want, be it the desktop mode only or the web mode only. I'm going to go with the desktop mode only. Personally, I find it more convenient. So let's copy this line and let's run it as well in our terminal. And it is now installed. Before we're actually going to be able to connect from pgAdmin to PostgreSQL, we need to do one more thing. And this is to configure the PostgreSQL user. To do that, we need this command. So sudo -u postgres, and this is a user that was created with the installation of PostgreSQL. So using this user, we are going to run PSQL, which is the command line client for PostgreSQL. And here we're going to run alter user, and the user that we want to alter is Postgres. So this is what I'm going to write here, with password. Then I need to specify the password I want to use, and I'm just going to go with password. But you should probably go with something a bit more secure. Then the semicolon and enter. And if I see this alter role, it means that the password was updated, so we can quit. And now we can move on to actually starting pgAdmin. So from here, I'm going to look for pgAdmin, and here it is. So it's starting. And here I'm going to choose servers. I need to right click on it, then register and server. We need to provide the name for this connection. I'll just call it localhost. Then we need to change to the connection tab over here. And since pgAdmin is on the same computer as PostgreSQL itself, the host name or the address is going to be localhost. The port needs to be 5432, and this is our user. We do need to provide here the password for this user. And since we just updated the password, it's going to be very clear what the new password is, and it's written right here. So let me copy it from here and paste it in pgAdmin. And I also want pgAdmin to save the password for me, so let me toggle this option. Then we need to save this connection. And we successfully connected to PostgreSQL, and we're going to be able to see all of the data.